page number 56 or 57. Transitive and intransitive verb. There are two types of verbs, transitive or intransitive. What is verb? It is a word that shows action. For example, drink, talk, walk. Now here are some kinds of verb. Transitive verb or intransitive verb. The verb which has a direct object is called a transitive verb. जिस वर्ब के बाद उसका ऑब्जेक्ट हो, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हो, उसको कहते हैं ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. Here the verb ate has a direct object, cake. Note, many verb can be both transitive and intransitive. यानी बहुत से वर्ब ऐसे हैं जो ट्रांजिटिव और इंट्रांजिटिव बोथ हैं. Intransitive verb. The verb which has no direct object is called intransitive verb. जिस वर्ब के बाद उसका ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होगा, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होगा, उसको इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहेंगे. Here the verb has no direct object as nobody knows what the boys played. अब हमें पता ही नहीं है कि बॉयज़ ने क्रिकेट खेली है, हॉकी खेली है, बैडमिंटन खेली है. So it is intransitive verb. Now underline the transitive verb only and circle the direct object. We saw the ships. Saw is transitive verb or ships is the direct object of saw, like transitive verb. The girls laughed. Girls किस बात पे हंसी हमें पता ही नहीं. So we will not circle it, we will not underline it. The children asked question. Ask is transitive verb. What they have asked? Question. So it is a direct object. डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है ना इसका, इस ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब का. टीचर पनिश्ड. अब टीचर ने पनिश किसको दी, क्या दी, कैसे दी, तो वी हैव नो इन्फॉर्मेशन, so we will not do it. It is intransitive. It is also intransitive. The old man drank water. Drank is transitive verb and water is its object, direct object. They fought. There is no information about to whom they fought or why they fought. So we will. It is an intransitive verb, so we will not. It is an intransitive verb, so we will not do anything of this sentence. Boys painted some pictures. Painted is transitive verb and picture is a direct object. What is a transitive verb? Give examples also. The verb which has a direct object is called a transitive verb. Example, Aslam bought a cake. असलम ने एक केक बाय किया. यहाँ we saw the ships. हमने ships देखे. हमने ships देखे. saw mean देखे. इन दोनों सेंटेंसेस में डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हैं, so it is transitive verb. What is an intransitive verb? Give examples also. The verb which has no direct object is called intransitive verb. For example, she laughed, laughed, और birds fly. बर्ड परिंदे उड़ते हैं, कहाँ उड़ते हैं, कैसे उड़ते हैं, नहीं पता. और she laughed, वो किस बात पे हंसी. So both of these are, there is no direct object in these two sentences. There is no direct object in these two sentences. So their verbs are intransitive verb. Laugh भी intransitive verb है और fly भी, क्योंकि इन दोनों के बाद direct object नहीं है. Change the intransitive into transitive. यानी intransitive verb को हमने transitive में change करना है. इनके साथ हमने इस वर्ब के साथ ऑब्जेक्ट्स लगा देने. We played football, we played cricket, we played badminton, we played tennis, any game we played for hockey. Every game you want to write, you can. She cooked food, object. She cooked delicious meal. She cooked yummy cake. She cooked tasty pizza. Everything which you can write your own. They enjoyed. They is subject, enjoyed is intransitive verb. Now we are changing it to transitive verb, so we will write their object. They enjoyed the party, they enjoyed the wedding. Okay students, you will write your work in fine handwriting, and then you will send me, and you will mention day or date as well. Thank you.